Welcome to the August 2025 edition of Corporate Reporting Insights. Now, in this edition, we have two main sections. First of all, we're looking at all the latest developments around IFRS accounting standards. And then in the second section, we look at sustainability developments. Now, let's start with the first section. IFRS accounting standards, 6 articles. In the very first one, we look at my favorite accounting standard, IFRS 16 on leases. The practical example we are exploring is if an organization enters into a new lease contract for the same premises before the end of the lease term and just before the end of the year end, how do they account for that new lease contract? Is it a new agreement under IFRS 16 or is it a modification of an existing agreement? The accounting implications for those two alternatives are very different. In the second article, we look at an IFRIC agenda decision, and in particular, we focus on how to assess whether an entity is operating in a hyperinflationary economy. In our third article, we focus on the brand new IFRS 18, and we provide an example statement of profit or loss for a retail, wholesale, manufacturing, or service business. In our fourth article, Dean Arden continues his journey around accounting position papers. And in this month's article, he looks at what is the true value of a good accounting position paper. In our fifth article, we look at recent changes to the own use requirements in IFRS 9 that's applicable to nature-dependent power purchase agreements. And we know that many of our clients are currently considering entering into these nature-dependent power purchase agreements in order to manage their carbon footprint. And then in the sixth and final article, we look at a new BDO Global publication, which is IFRS Accounting Standards at a glance, basically a one-page summary of every IFRS accounting standard as at June 2025. If we then move on to the second part, and now we look at sustainability, first of all, we consider where to present mandatory climate disclosures within the annual report. In the second article, we look at 5 trends shaping sustainability strategies in 2025. In the third article, we are addressing a topic which is absolutely front of mind for our clients, and that is understanding materiality under the new AASB S2 climate-related disclosures. In our fourth article, we provide some practical answers for finance and sustainability leaders around climate reporting. We are addressing questions that's been raised in our recent sustainability webinars. In our fifth article, we consider how the ACNC charities can lead in impact transparency. And then in Articles 6 and 7, we focus on recent BDO Global publications. The sixth article, our 30 June 2025 Sustainability Reporting Update, and our seventh and final sustainability article, we look at 30 June 2025 Sustainability Reporting Jurisdictional Update. We do hope you enjoy this edition of Corporate Reporting Insights.